As the pandemic crisis we are in gets worse before it gets better, we will continue to see uncertainty in our economy. Some might think we are headed into a recession, while others might think we're already in one. Whatever your opinion is, here are 3 stocks to buy during this 2020 recession. Welcome back. My name is Alex Sanchez, and this channel we talk about money, investing, real estate. If you want to learn how to start making, saving, and investing more money so you can eventually become financially free and live life on your own terms, you can start by considering subscribing. For those of you who are new to stock market investing, Robinhood is giving away a free stock to anyone who opens up a new account with them. If you're interested in a free stock, there's a link down below in the description of this video. Full disclosure, I also get a free stock. I just want to be upfront with you guys. We're experiencing a major negative impact in our world today. Unless you're living under a rock, my fellow viewers already know about the dangerous beer bug. It's nothing to joke about. My condolences and prayers to the infected families who have lost their loved ones. As we all know, the world economies are seeing huge downturns, and there's a lot of chaos within the markets. Our economy is going down the drain because pretty much all sorts of social interactions are restricted. Restaurants, bars, nightclubs, social events are closed and pretty much banned by now. A lot of consumerism is coming to a halt because there's so much uncertainty in our world today. This whole crisis is ruining a lot of major businesses, but most importantly, the small ones that probably won't be able to recover from the start of this recession. At this point, you might be wondering how you might be able to at least protect your hard-earned money as we endure this stock market crash. This video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm just a dude on YouTube. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not an economist. Please do your research and do not sue me. First stock we're looking at is Walmart. Walmart has been a staple in our economy for the longest time. It's no secret that they're the biggest retail/grocer in the world. I like Walmart because they are a huge company with a lot of money and a long track record of success. They have the largest workforce, and there's no other company out there that has more employees than them. Walmart is considered a blue chip stock, and a blue chip stock is a huge company with an excellent reputation. These are large, well-established companies that have a good track record in earnings and in market cap. These stocks are around through good times and bad. As a matter of fact, all 3 stocks I'll be talking about are considered blue chip stocks because nothing says safe like blue and chips. Walmart is one of the world's largest company with a hefty 2.2-ish million employees. What I like about Walmart is that they actually have done fairly well over the last recessions, including the Great Recession back in 2008 and 2009. One thing about this recession or market crash that we're in right now is that this one is completely different than the last one. The last one was primarily because of the housing bubble and people were defaulting on their mortgage payment. This recession, quite honestly, feels scarier because we have people dying and almost no money circulation in the economy. People aren't going out for drinks, concerts, clubs. A, because they're scared of the beer bug, and B, because it's banned and America's biggest cities are looking like ghost towns. Walmart is going to thrive through this because they make most of their money selling home essentials like toilet paper and hand sanitizer, of course. They're also able to sell many things at a lower cost than many other grocery or retail stores because they are the biggest and baddest, and they've been able to get the best wholesale prices around, and they make sure to keep those low overhead costs to then pass those savings on to their customers. Sorry, Whole Foods, we don't have time for organic avocados. They're also in the process of going through a huge hiring. Around 150,000 people will be hired because of the demand going on with this CV thing. Not only that, but they will be increasing their hourly wages, at least temporarily. It was reported that it would be $2 more an hour, and they will also be offering $250 bonuses for referrals. Walmart's only issue during this recession is that they don't have enough employees to work their busy stores. I'm sure Walmart will survive yet another financial crisis. The next stock fits in with the trending topic of hoarding toilet paper and hand sanitizer. And if you're into that type of thing, then there's nothing that says hoarding better than Costco. Seriously, Costco is known for being a huge warehouse type retailer, and the benefit that they have is that they sell almost everything in bulk. Why go to a regular store to buy a 12 pack of toilet paper when you can go to Costco and buy it for the 148 pack? Obviously, I'm being a little sarcastic and silly, but I apologize for that. But seriously, this company is a cash cow. Now that everyone is running around trying to buy everything in bulk, so they're set to stay home for weeks, if not months ahead, a lot of people are buying pantry food, bathroom essentials, and cleaning supplies like the world's coming to an end. So there's no better retailer like Costco to accomplish those needs. But in all honesty, Costco is set to prosper during this pandemic. Their sales have grown substantially within the last few weeks, and analysts predict that they will continue to grow for the next few months. Costco has also seen a big surge in memberships, and in case you didn't know, you need a membership to be able to shop there. So their membership renewals are another awesome revenue stream for them, and it's reported that 90% of members renew their membership year after year. Costco is also doing a kind and honorable thing by allowing senior citizens to shop during specific store hours to allow them to shop, giving them the priority to buy their household needs. And this is an awesome thing considering that we know that older people have a higher risk of becoming ill due to the beer bug. Costco also brought their shareholders a whopping 40% return on investment in 2019 with the surge that they've been experiencing so far this year, and in the next upcoming months, they might see better earnings than the year before. Again, the third and final stock that is a must during this pandemic is Amazon stock. I know I might get some hate for this, but hear me out. First of all, I know Amazon is ridiculously priced. At the time of this recording, Amazon is trading at around $1,900 a share, so some people might not be interested and give this video a dislike, unsubscribe to the channel, and abandon this video. But there's a way where you can buy shares of Amazon at the fraction of the price it trades, and therefore allowing people to invest that don't have thousands of dollars available for one single share of Amazon. I will tell you how you can do it after you kindly slightly smash the thumbs up button down below. Seriously, these awesome videos are fueled by those blue thumbs up buttons. Anyways, there's a good platform that allows novice investors to invest in fractional shares, meaning you can buy fractions of shares without having to pay for one whole share. The name of the platform is called M1 Finance. I will hopefully make a review of this platform sometime in the future. So for example, if you want to invest $100 in Amazon, then you can buy $100 worth of Amazon without having to worry about coming up with the whole amount to buy one share of Amazon. That also makes it affordable for the novice investor. Robinhood has also announced that they will begin to do that in the near future, so I'm kind of excited for that. Again, link in the description below. So Amazon is another huge company that seems to keep growing with no limits or boundaries. Now is a crucial time for Amazon because they're also experiencing huge surges in sales due to everyone staying at home and having the comfort of buying household materials, food, and everything in between. There's nothing that brings more security to society right now than being able to shop from home to get home goods without having to run out and expose themselves to the beer bug. So we can all come to the conclusion that Amazon is seeing a huge demand as of lately. Amazon is a great company because they're big and they're growing faster and faster, and they're pretty much outgrowing every other company. Their stock is the third largest cap stock in the stock market, just behind respected Apple and Microsoft, meaning they're a huge company and they have a lot of cash to insure themselves. And since Amazon is the king of the e-commerce sector and they are experiencing huge growth during this bear market, they don't have to worry about not enough revenue coming in. In fact, they are also in a hiring frenzy just like Walmart is, and they're offering $2 more an hour to their current and newest workers. Another industry Amazon has potential to really get into with what's going on right now is the possibility to exponentially grow in grocery sales. At this point in time, it's not crazy to think that some people might consider shopping for their groceries online, and there are a handful of people who already were doing it even before this pandemic. Although to me that seems a little bit crazy, at least for my world, because I'd rather see and feel my food, and quite honestly, I don't have the time to wait to have it delivered. Amazon also reported that the last quarter, more than half of its income came from AWS, which is their cloud computing platform. Right now, I can imagine AWS is booming due to many people working from home and needing a reliable cloud software. Speaking of people working from home, there are a lot of people staying at home because the government deems it essential and safer. Also, some people don't have another option because as of Thursday, March 26th, 2020, it was reported that the number of people who reported unemployment for last week was at a whopping 3.3 million people, and I assume that number will continue to grow in the short-term future. With the people working from home, Americans unemployed, and kids not going to school, Amazon Prime's streaming service is seeing growth, since many people rely on movies and television for entertainment. I could keep going on and off why I love Amazon as this year's recession-proof stock, but I would be beating a dead horse. The stock market has been a huge roller coaster this year. In my lifetime, I have never seen it drop so much, so fast. One thing I can say is that right now is a pretty good time to be investing in it. We are finally seeing great companies with huge discounted prices on their stock. But a lot of people, including myself, are feeling like there's no more lows to come. One thing for sure though, it's nearly impossible for the average person to time the market. And that is why I will continue to invest gradually as we see how things pan out. I believe we will get through these tough times and continue to see a thriving economy eventually, even though right now it seems like it's not in the foreseeable future. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it brought you guys a ton of value, and please don't be afraid to give it a like, comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and most importantly, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please follow me on Instagram if you want to follow my journey, and I will catch you guys in the next one.